In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Monday.com desktop app. So the first thing you want to do is open up your browser and type in Monday.com desktop app like I did over here. Then you want to scroll down until you see over here where it says Monday.com's desktop app, and from the website support.monday.com. So it's actually one of their articles, and if you click on it, it says download the app, and you can seamlessly download it from these links over here. So if you're using Mac, you want to click this link. However, if you're using Windows like me, you want to click desktop app for Windows. Just click on it and it will automatically download this Monday over here for you, okay? And then once you can see this downloaded, you want to click on it. And then over here, it will ask you if you want to download it for all the users or just for you in case you have multiple users on your computer. I'm going to go only for me right now. And then you want to press install. Now in just a second, this is going to start installing over here. There we go. And it will take up to a minute to be installed depending on your computer. And then once that's done, there we go. As you can see, it says completing Monday setup. What you want to do is then press run Monday, so it will automatically run it. You don't have to open it yourself manually. Press finish, and this will open up their desktop app. As you can see, there we go, and it will prompt you to log in with your account. So that's pretty much it. That's how you download Monday.com desktop app. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.